everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to prep and also apply Nailchemy Builder Gel. We're going to be using Nailchemy's Cover Rose Builder Gel in this video. The first step you need to do is to spray your client's hands down with a hygiene spray. This is the prime opportunity to check your client's nails for any imperfections or damage. Once you have done this, you can then gently start preparing the cuticle area with your cuticle pusher. Then you can go in with your cuticle knife and remove all of the dead tissue on the nail. It is important to spend a good amount of time preparing the nail, as this will help the builder gel to bond to the nail better and it will make your manicure last for longer. Ensure that each piece of dead tissue is fully removed, otherwise you may end up with lifting from the back of the nail or the side walls of the nail. Once you have finished removing all of the dead tissue from the nail, you need to make sure that you have a 240 grit file and a 240 grit nail buffer for the next step. Lightly buff the nail, making sure that you follow the curvature of the nail. You don't want to be buffing flat. Make sure that you remove all of the shine during this process, which will eliminate all of the natural oils that are on the nail. Next, taking your 240 grit nail file, you need to make sure that you etch the edges of the nail and the cuticle at the back, making sure that you get rid of all of the excess tissue that is left on the nail. Make sure that your files are blunted. This will make sure that you don't accidentally cut your client with the edge of the file. Now it's time to ask your client which shape nail they would like, and to shape the nails accordingly. Once the nail is at the desired shape, you want to make sure that you don't touch the nail and also that the client doesn't touch the nail again, because this will transfer oil back onto the nail plate. Next, we're going to take our soft bristled brush and apply our Nailchemy cleanse to the bristles. We're going to lightly brush the nail. This will cleanse the nail and also remove any dust that is left over from filing and buffing. Let that air dry and then we will apply our Nailchemy nail prep. Applying the Nailchemy nail prep will help to dehydrate the nail, and it will also help to remove any oils or water that are left on the nail. The nails will stay dehydrated for between 20 and 30 minutes, so if it takes you 20 to 30 minutes to do one hand, then by the time you get onto the other hand you may need to re-dehydrate the nails again. Make sure that you do not touch the nail after you apply the nail prep, and apply it sparingly, making sure not to touch the skin. Apply the nail prep down the centre of the nail first and then do both of the edges. Now the nail is fully prepped, it is time for our builder gel application. You want very little product on the brush. We're going to start here on the nail, go up towards the cuticle, and then straight down. And then wipe off the excess, and then do both of the edges. Make sure that you cap the free edge and also check the nail to make sure that no product has touched the skin. The easiest way to do this is to use a wood stick. Once you are certain that there is no gel polish on the skin, pop the client's nails into the lamp for 30 seconds. If there is any damage on the client's nails, make sure to use the low heat setting, which is 99 seconds on our Nailchemy lamp. When applying the second coat of builder gel, you want to make sure that you have the same amount on as the first coat, so not a lot. And then you want to push the product up towards the cuticle and then down towards the free edge of the nail, and then carefully do the sides as well. Make sure to cap the free edge and then pop it in the lamp again for 30 seconds to cure. If you're wanting to do a gel overlay on your client, then you want to float the next layer over the nail, being careful not to flood the product into the side walls. Make sure to cap the free edge and then pop it in the lamp again for 30 seconds to cure. Check your application, and if everything is okay and all you want to do is an overlay, then now would be the time to apply a top coat. You can apply our no wipe top coat straight over the top of the builder gel and then cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. If you want to apply gel polish on top of the builder gel, then you need to remove the tacky layer and also refine the nail by buffing. Using Nailchemy cleanser, cleanse the nail to remove the tacky layer. Next, we need to refine the nail using a 240 buffer or a 240 nail file. Now dip your soft bristled brush back in the cleanse and make sure that all of the dust is removed from the nail. Next we can apply our first layer of gel polish. In this video we are going to use dragon fruit from our Forbidden Fruits collection. Make sure when applying Nailchemy gel polish that you apply thin layers to the nail. You don't need much product on your brush, and if you start in the middle you push up towards the cuticle, drag it down towards the free edge, and then do the sides individually one after the other. Make sure to wipe off any excess from your brush in between. Be sure to pinch the finger to get to the side of the nails so that you don't accidentally flood the nail or get any product on the skin. Then cap the free edge and pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. Now it's time to apply our second coat of gel polish, making sure that it is a thin layer again as before. Starting in the middle, going up towards the cuticle, make sure not to get any on the cuticle, and bring it down towards the free edge of the nail, and then do each of the sides. Cap the free edge and then pop it in the lamp again for 30 seconds to cure. Next we are going to finish the nail with non-wet top coat. You only need a small amount of this, so make sure that you apply it thinly as we did with the gel polish. Gently move the product up towards the cuticle and then down towards the free edge. Make sure to pinch the finger so that you can get into the sides, and also make sure to cap the nail before you pop it into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Once the nail is fully cured, allow 30 seconds for the nail to cool down before applying cuticle oil. Apply the cuticle oil behind the nail and then work it into the skin surrounding the nail, not forgetting underneath the nail as well, because that's often forgotten. Nailchemy Builder Gels and Gel Polish are soak-off products. Thank you for watching our Builder Gel prep and application video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this on tutorials, how-tos, and also colour swatch videos.